Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I can't believe it's already July. For today's video, we went on a field trip to the middle of Florida to enjoy the butterfly rainforest. I hope you guys enjoy. Welcome to the herd. Butterfly Rainforest is located inside the Florida Museum of Natural History in Gainesville. The Florida Museum's admission is free. To get into the Butterfly Rainforest, you need a ticket. Prices for adults are $14, $12.50 for Florida residents and students, and $7.50 for kids ages 3 to 17. Inside the rainforest, you will experience a 6,400 square foot exhibit that features paved paths that twist through lush tropical plants and water features. There are a plethora of incredible plants like orchids and bromeliads. Educational plaques also line the walkway to teach you about the workings of butterflies. The exhibit closes when there is lightning in the area, so please plan accordingly. In addition to butterflies, you can also see turtles, fish, and even a few small birds. There are 50 different butterfly and moth species within the rainforest. You can find them practically everywhere in the garden. Look carefully and be mindful of where you step. A butterfly could be anywhere. Definitely check out the feeding stations for several butterflies all in one place. All the butterflies and moths come from global butterfly farms. The largest butterfly in the world is Queen Alexandra's birdwing, with a wingspan of up to 1 foot. You can find them in Papua New Guinea. The smallest butterfly in the world makes its home in the United States. The pygmy blue has a wingspan of just 0.62 of an inch. If you'd like to attract butterflies to your garden, the Florida Museum has plant sales. You can find nectar, accent, native, and more with over 100 species available for purchase. Those species include sweet almond bush, sunshine mimosa, scarlet sage, silky gold milkweed, and Everglades tomato. All proceeds benefit the rainforest exhibit. The Butterfly Rainforest and Florida Museum staff are also spreading their wings by bringing butterflies to the community. They're currently raising money to plant butterfly gardens at local elementary schools so students can see firsthand the beauty of science.
he was the first to crow. Mother always told him, you'll become a king, you'll bring hope to Allah's family, you are my precious kid. Inside this castle all my youth, had to walk through flaming fire, I've been bruised. They break my boundaries, sticks and stones, and no one is mine. I time out, they say such a beast needs a throne, but all I wanna be back home. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the time has come, and I should end my show. I'm glad to make people smile on stage. I always glow when the stars threw down the spears and watered heaven with the tears. Did his smilers walk to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee? Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry?
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and tour of the butterfly rainforest in Gainesville, Florida. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate your support each week. This has been a wonderful and fun experience for me, and I can't wait to show you more videos of my crazy herd and family. Thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful Wednesday. See you soon!